Don't throw away those overripe bananas. Turn them into something amazing, a delicious way to give your ripe banana a new life. There's something truly comforting about the smell of fresh donuts in the morning, but you don't need a deep fryer or a big mess to enjoy them. These air fryer donut holes deliver that same golden, fluffy sweetness with a fraction of the oil and effort. These warm, fluffy donut holes are a quick and delicious treat made right in the air fryer. No deep frying required. Perfect for breakfast, dessert, or a sweet snack. These bite-sized delights are irresistible and easy to make with just a few simple ingredients. Lightly crisp on the outside and soft on the inside, filled with natural sweetness from ripe bananas. They're rolled in cinnamon sugar to perfection for that classic donut shop taste. Whether you're making them for a weekend breakfast, a cozy afternoon treat, or a fun family baking project, these bite-sized donuts come together in minutes and taste just as indulgent as the classic version. Cook for. You spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook For You presents Banana Donut Holes. Let's get begin. Take 2 overripe bananas. Got overripe bananas. Don't throw them away. Mash them well. Transfer into bowl. Add half teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Add a good pinch of salt. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Take 1½ cup all-purpose flour. Add the flour into batches, mixing with a spatula until the dough comes together. If you're using 1 banana, add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. For 2 bananas, use 1½ cups of flour. Add remaining flour. Mix until shaggy dough forms. Grease your hands with oil. Knead the dough. If the dough feels too runny, add a bit more flour. If it's too stiff, just add some extra mashed banana. Mist the basket with oil. Take a small portion and roll them into balls. Make sure to leave some space between each donut hole as they will puff up while cooking. Repeat the same procedure for all. Spray some cooking oil on donut holes. Pop them in. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly 12 minutes or until golden brown. Cooking times may vary with different air fryers or donut hole sizes. These can also be baked in a regular oven. Now, for cinnamon sugar, take 1/4 cup caster sugar, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Combine well. Our cinnamon sugar is ready. Keep it aside, we'll use it later. Now take 50 grams butter. Melt in the microwave. I totally forgot to remove the crisper tray. Don't make the same mistake. Either take it out or line it with parchment paper before adding the donut holes. As you can see, mine got stuck to the tray, but hey, I'm owning my kitchen bloopers. Luckily, I managed to get them out. Now, simply dunk the warm donut holes in melted butter and coat them with cinnamon sugar. Repeat the same procedure for all the donut holes. Dunk the warm donut holes in melted butter and roll them well in cinnamon sugar. Our donut holes are ready to enjoy. Try this recipe and let us know what you think. Each bite is tender on the inside, lightly crisp on the outside, and coated in a warm layer of cinnamon sugar or sweet glaze. Store any leftovers in an airtight container. They taste even better the next day. Do try this super delicious recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.